Good morning. I'd like to welcome everybody to the Bullish Network. French Central Bank pick Ripple partner for digital euro project. Also, VeChain expands partnerships, and I got some hidden gem news you guys definitely want to hear. So, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just documenting my journey on the digital decade. If you guys can smash some thumbs up, hit that subscribe and notification bell, you'll be notified when we release a video daily. Okay. PayPal to reportedly offer crypto trading through Paxos partnership. PayPal reportedly plans to introduce crypto trading through a new brokerage service offered by United States stablecoin operator Paxos. United States stablecoin Paxos. Guys, I use PayPal all the time, and I believe that PayPal has seen how much money that Coinbase has made by being a third-party provider for cash outs. You can cash out your crypto on PayPal through Coinbase, connects the USD to PayPal and directly to your bank account. So basically, PayPal is a third-party provider, and they do see the money that's flowing through Coinbase. So now they are very excited about getting involved in the digital currency movement. But it's ironic that they're partnering with Paxos, because if you guys recall, Paxos joins forces with Binance to launch USD-backed stablecoin BUSD. Crypto exchange Binance and blockchain trust company Paxos join forces to launch USD-backed stablecoin approved by New York Department of Financial Services. So that right there goes to show you guys that regulation is here. And PayPal has 3 million users. Imagine 300 million users. Imagine logging into PayPal and being able to purchase VeChain or XRP or your favorite token. The world will FOMO into digital currencies. Now, the French Central Bank picks Ripple partner Accenture and HSBC for digital euro pilot. Now, guys, we all know that Accenture runs on Ripple. They speak very highly of Ripple. Also, Chris Goncalves, Crypto Dad, also is employed by Accenture, and they're also working on the digital dollar project. But we do know for a fact that Accenture runs on Ripple. Also, HSBC is also a partner of Ripple. So, and we also know that Ripple is on the high level advisory board at HSBC. So, I say this French Central Bank runs on Ripple. Now, France has picked 8 potential candidates to test the integration of the CBDC for interbank settlements, according to the announcement published earlier today. The list of approved participants include Juggernaut, Accenture, and HSBC. And guys, both of those clearly run on Ripple. Now that reminds me of this. French Central Bank, if you guys recall, Bearable Guy with the Dance J. Seuss, Think As I Am. Now that right there, guys, is clearly So You Are, We Are, Where You Been. Shout out to Terrence Brown right there. So I Am right there. Now, guys, Bearable Guy was referencing a French connection right there last year. So it's kind of ironic. French Central Bank picks Ripple partners Accenture and HSBC for digital euro pilot. That I believe runs on Ripple. Shout out to Bearable Guy. Where have you been? Oh, where is our favorite bear? Now, that's kind of ironic, guys, that this picture came out from the IMF, because this also reminds me of Bearable Guy. The next phase. Now, this is really interesting right here. The next phase, I believe, is the digital decade. The next phase will run on XRP and VeChain. XRP will be moving money, and VeChain will be used for everything else. Certification, authentication, tracking food, carbon credit, carbon ecosystem, G20 policymakers. So once I hit this right here, the next phase of the epidemic, farther action needed for resilient recovery. Now, when a group of 20, the group of 20, which is the G20, industrialized and emerging market economies, G20 finance ministers and central bank governors met last April, the world was in the midst of the great lockdown by the epidemic. Now, I believe, despite the pain and suffering that the pandemic has caused, we inspire to transform our world, which we are transforming the world as we speak. Now, if you guys go to here, protect people and workers across the world. Countries have ramped up economic lifelines to individuals and workers. These safety nets must be maintained and needed, and in some cases expanded. Now, from paid sick leave for low-income families to access health care which is VeChain, paid sick leave, XRP, and unemployment insurance to broader cash in kind transfers to those in the informal sector with digital mechanisms often best for delivery. So cash in hand to broader cash and in kind transfers for those informal sector with digital mechanisms best for delivery. So that, guys, right there clearly shows you that I personally believe that this initiative with the whole world is the Great Reset. It is the next phase, as the IMF calls it right here, of the next phase of the epidemic. Now, G20 policymakers and all working together must seize the opportunity to make this future a reality. Now, G20. Now, guys, I did pull this up on the live stream. The G20 consists of every nation, USA, China, you name it, the countries there. So far as saying we're competing with other nations and they're going to come out with a CBDC and they're mining Bitcoin and we're not and we're behind, I believe that's all FOMO, guys, FUD and FOMO, because I believe that under the G20 global regulation that we are going to be on the same page as far as globalization and interoperability. Where there be individual CBDCs, it looks that way, but as far as, this country is leading and this country is not, I truly believe that we're going to be one global economy. What you guys think about that? Let me know in the comments. So, over 3 million tomatoes. But let me show you guys one more thing really quick right here. Now, it's ironic about this picture right here. If I go to this, here's the picture up here. Right here, the next phase. Now, this is truly the bearable guy picture that he put out also. So that's kind of interesting right there. Let me know what you guys think about that in the comments. Over 3 million tomatoes in Italy will be tracked by VeChain blockchain. Thanks to the partnership between Italian Agriculture Association industry, tomatoes in Italy are going digital with blockchain, and over 3 million tomatoes produced via Princess plant every year will now be tracked with VeChain blockchain technology. So that is pretty interesting right there, guys. VeChain is truly moving in on all different sectors, and I truly believe that this is game-changing, groundbreaking technology. That is for sure. While over 3 million tomatoes are made via the Princess plant every year, said the farmers that are trained during the epidemic period use the platform and how to insert produce data on the blockchain are set to adopt the innovation. Wow. VeChain to deploy via token farm. VeChain blockchain is to be deployed via token farm, an innovative startup within the Corridere that is a major member of the VeChain technology in Italy. So that is a very interesting relationship right there. This partnership is great for VeChain. The startup has begun to make huge strides in Italy. Very big deal right there. I love to see the VeChain ecosystem growing. VeChain verified collector figure becomes a viral hit in China. A collector figure made for the Chinese pop star, which is verified using VeChain blockchain, has landed a viral hit in China. Using an app released this week, owners can check authenticity on the VeChain Thor blockchain. So that is a pretty big deal. At the end of May, the Chinese company Mars Space Station sold 20,000 limited edition figure for Heyou, a pop star sensation with a now viral sensation. The special feature and figure that is verified via NFC chip on the VeChain blockchain to certify the authenticity of the figure. Wow. More than 36 million fans of the pop star come at least indirectly in contact with VeChain blockchain technology. Wow. The toy is worth about $130, and it uses VeChain blockchain IoT chip technology for that purpose. Very big deal, guys. It looks like VeChain is coming into play. Okay, guys, best performing coin in 2020 is ERD. It is up 817%. This is one of our hidden gems, guys. On this channel, I also issue the pre-parabolic bull run tokens we be searching for. And ERD, I issued the ERD 2021 Kona Challenge, where we picked up 100,000 ERD for $100. Now, 100,000 ERD is close to $2,000, and it is up 817%. Also, guys, I'm working on some hidden gems behind the scenes. Shout out to everybody that took this hidden gem seriously right here. It's overperformed. This is some of my hidden gems right here, guys. This is Binance Launchpad tokens. As of right now, Cellular is pumping 30%. ERD was pumping a little bit. Here's going to be our newest hidden gem. We're going to talk about this in a few minutes. ALGO just landed on Binance or Coinbase, and it's also staking and baking on Binance US. And Kava was on fire, up 34%, and hit 337, up from 85 cents. So pretty much, guys, the market is somewhat on fire. PayPal could team with Paxos. We talked about that. Shout out to Tales from the Crypto. MasterCard expands cryptocurrency program for crypto card issuers. MasterCard is reaching out to cryptocurrency firms and encouraging them to apply to become partners as part of a newly expanded cryptocurrency card program. MasterCard is reaching out to cryptocurrency firms and encouraging them to apply to become a partner of the newly expanded crypto program. MasterCard said it was simplifying access to its Accelerate program for crypto card issuers, allowing applicants to be onboarded as partners in a matter of weeks. The now enhanced crypto card applicants, the Accelerator program gives partners support with their market entry, continued growth, and international expansion. New crypto partners will be assisted in integrating MasterCard technology and will be in a position to benefit from the firm's cybersecurity expertise and market research. Wow, that is a very big deal, guys. I said that was coming because they changed the codes on the back of the credit cards of MasterCard and Visa to accept cryptocurrency about a year ago. Coincidence. Now, rabbit hole time. Coincidence. Top 5 Swiss banks profit is up 34% after crypto integration. Now, Julius Baer, a top 5 Swiss bank, saw a net profit climb 34% in the first half of 2020, a period in which they began offering digital assets. Now, that's why I said crypto, because they use Bitcoin as the poster child, but it's really about digital assets. They began offering digital assets like Bitcoin to its clients. Wow, so this is a massive Swiss bank offering digital currencies, the new asset class. The top 5 Swiss bank, Julia Baer Group, which manages 427 billion in assets, announced on July 20th that its profits increased by 524 million in the last 2 quarters. The bank most likely benefited from an increase in trading revenues throughout the US and Europe. So that is very interesting right there. I wanted to do a little bit more research on Julius Baer Group right here. So I found this right here. Julia Baer, top 5 Swiss banks saw its profits rise. Now they're partners with SEB. Let me show you guys that real quick. Okay. Once you understand staking, now this bank right here, I'm going to have to show you guys this actually, because I might not have pulled it up and I'm already too far in this video. And they have partnered with SEBA. So let's see right here. So we're going to go partners with, just to fill in the missing piece really quick right here. Okay, Julia Baer gets into crypto banking with SEBA partnership. Julia Baer plans to offer access to digital assets through the partnership with the Swiss startup SEBA, S-E-B-A, Crypto, in the latest move in the cryptocurrency by a Swiss private bank. So, you guys see this right here. Coincidence, top Swiss bank. Now they partner with SEBA right here. Now, Julia Baer, top 5 Swiss banks, saw a net profit climb 34%. The digital decade is here. Buckle up. Now, this is SEBA Bank. Once you understand how staking and proof of stake algorithms work, I thought that was really interesting because we got the largest Swiss banks partnering with crypto companies and they're talking about staking. So I truly believe there's going to be a massive influx of institutional investors that are going to be extremely excited about the staking rewards that is offered in this new asset class. Now, this is SEBA University, which they created right here, staking and baking. Also, here's SEBA, first digital bank offering asset securitization services on the public Corda network. On the Corda network, so we got the largest Swiss banks partnered up with SEBA Bank, crypto-friendly bank, and it runs on the Corda network, so clearly runs on Ripple. Widespread adoption of digital assets and securities by institutions requires trusted venues for distributed and for secondary trading and liquidity. Now, this is Matthew Alexander, at head of tokenizations for SEBA. Welcome to the new asset class. SEBA Bank is the first digital bank offering asset securitization. Very interesting scenario right there. This partnership allows SEBA Bank to offer institutional clients the ability to issue and invest in digital securities representing financial instruments on the public Corda network. Clearly runs on VeChain. Now, guys, I am working on a behind the scenes rabbit hole video on this token right here called Everpedia. Very good connections, guys. This video will be coming soon, so make sure you guys smash that thumbs up, hit that subscribe. Everpedia pumped actually 23% this weekend, and I believe it is just becoming it's actually the first EOS token listed on Binance a few days ago. So rabbit hole video coming soon. Guys, do not miss this opportunity. As of right now, you can get close to over 100,000 for like $100. So it's called Everpedia. The ticker is IQ on CoinMarket.cap. So if you guys, like I said, look for this video coming out soon. Maybe tomorrow it'll come out. It's gonna be a really good video. Also, guys, the bull logo will come down right now. Smash that bull to subscribe to the channel. Help the channel get to 10,000 subscribers. We have 8-9 days left to reach 10K subscribers. Smash that thumbs up. Hit that notification bell. You'll be notified daily when we release a video. Looking for the best comment. Much love. Mahalo.